Hey friends, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name's Terry, also known as the Inspire Planner, and today is Friendship Friday. All right, friends, let's jump right into this. Today I am going to use the Tula XII Ladybug card kit. I think I've done some other videos on cards with this, but I have some supplies left in here and I thought it would be a good idea to finish those up or use some of what I have anyway. So we are going to make 3 cards today because it is Friendship Friday. One that I am going to mail to a friend, one that you can win here on YouTube by commenting hashtag Friendship Friday below, and one over in my Facebook VIP planner community. So if you are not a member over there, go ahead and find that link below in the description and you can get an opportunity to win 2 cards. All right, so I pulled some envelopes, I pulled my card stock. We're just gonna start with one of those. First thing I'm gonna do is figure out which papers I want to use. These are so beautiful. Just look at these papers, they're so much fun. And then we have some embellishments left too. So let me grab those really quickly. Doesn't look like I have any bling in here. I think I've used all of that. So we're gonna be buttons and bows today with some die cuts, which is perfectly fine. And then of course we have some white strips of cardstock, which I don't think we're gonna be needing. So, whoops, I'm just gonna go ahead and toss those out of the way. All right, so first thing I'm gonna do is figure out which papers I wanna use. And I think I might go ahead and just use one of each. That makes it easy. So let's go ahead and get those out of the way as well. I'm gonna put the stickers up there for now too. Let's go ahead and get started. I like to make sure that my cardstock is facing in the right direction. And I think that what I'm gonna do is mix these papers up a little bit because we've got the fun, like open flowers over here, as well as over here. They're just in 2 different sizes, and the ladybugs. And then this one is polka dots with 2 different color schemes as well. So I think we're just gonna keep this super simple today. Ooh, did you see how fast I ripped that? And we're just gonna mix and match these up a little bit. So first thing I wanna do is look at my back papers. I wanna use this one for this side because it has lots of ladybugs on there, which is super cute. So we're gonna do this card like this, and then we're gonna save these 2 for the other card. And I'm gonna look in my stash really quickly and see if I have any bling, and I do, because I feel like we're gonna need some. So let me pull that out real quick. Okay, let's go ahead and put these papers down first. I love these card kits if you haven't seen them before by Tula XII because they just make card making really simple and fun. And for those of you that think that you are not crafty or creative, these kits will definitely prove you wrong. So if you haven't tried one, think about it. We have all different styles and themes and colors, and especially with fall coming, like there's going to be lots of good things that you can potentially think about. All right, so we've got that down. I think I really like this one for this card. So I'm going to go ahead and use that die cut right there in the middle. Keep it pretty simple. Oh, this is going to be so pretty. All right, now you could leave it just like that if you wanted to. This is definitely a safe bet for getting it in the mail. You won't have to worry about the post office not liking it or anything like that. But I feel like it needs just a little bit more of something. I'm just not sure. I think I'm gonna put the button on this one. I think I'm gonna put it inside the polka dot just because it fits there and it gives it a little bit of added texture, which I think is pretty cool. So that is one card finished. Now, before I am completely finished with it, you guys know, if you've watched, that I like to use the little round envelope stickers inside my cards just to give it a little extra something right there. So that's card number 1. Card number 2, I'm gonna go ahead and grab these papers and we're gonna mix it up a little bit. So this one's actually gonna have our little fault line at the top, which I'm okay with. I think that's kind of okay. So let's go ahead and adhere this paper down. And I'm trying really hard not to overuse adhesive. You guys know that is a definite thing for me. And so I'm trying really hard not to go crazy with the adhesive right now. Trying something new. I might have to go get some more adhesive though. We might run out before we finish all these cards. We'll see. It could happen. All right, so I just kind of line those up. Don't really give it a whole lot of measuring, as you guys know. And then we're gonna use this one over here today. Oh my gosh, that is just so cute. I love that little one. And we're gonna put him right here. And I think I'm going to use, I think we're gonna use Hello Friend, but I'm gonna cut this first because I don't want it to be so long. So I'm just, before I peel it up, I'm just gonna take my scissors and snip that right where I want it to be. And then that way, when I peel it up, I won't have all the extra. Clever, right? I know, super clever. And I'm just gonna put this down here in this little bottom corner, just like that. And then this one, we are going to put just a couple of little blings right here to draw some attention to it. Now, usually I do 3. I only had 2 left on that one, so we're just gonna go with the 2. And let's go ahead and add our little sticker inside. And that is card number 2. And I'm thinking maybe I should go back and add another little sentiment over here as well, just because I can. So I'm gonna take my scissors again and trim this up just to the edge there. This one I think I am gonna put at the top corner over here, just to give it a little balance. That's cute. All right, so 2 cards done. 3rd card, we are going to use this cute little paper. I love this paper, and I do like it in this fashion. I don't even think I'm gonna cut this one, to be honest, or maybe I will just do a tiny little bit. It's weird because I don't wanna cut that part of it. Maybe I will cut just some of this to put with it. I think that's what I'll do. So I'm gonna go ahead and rip that, and then I'm gonna go ahead and rip that like that. Now we're gonna go ahead and do the black and white side. Make sure your cardstock is opening in the right direction. I have been known to make a card completely upside down and backwards because I didn't check that. Sometimes they're easy to correct, and sometimes I send them upside down and backwards. All right, so this one, oh, I'm glad I did that. Look how pretty that is. That is so, so pretty. Now on this one, I think I want to do hello as the sentiment. So let's go ahead and cut that out a little bit. And I am going to put this on here before I put this guy, because I'm going to put the bow on with this one, I think. And I want to get that in place before I put the ladybug down. Like that. Okay, perfect. get some adhesive on this little girl. Oh, this is super cute. Oh, I love this. Okay, now I need one more little sticker and our 3 cards are complete. See how easy that was? That didn't take any time at all. All right, so we have card number 1, card number 2, and card number 3. So don't forget to comment #Friday here so that you can be in the drawing for one of these cards, and then also jump over to my planner community on Facebook and comment #Friday under that post over there. #Friendship Friday under that post over there. Goodness gracious. All right, so we have 3 adorable little cards now. Oh my gosh, these turned out so cute. Love these. So pretty. So this is Friendship Friday. Don't forget to comment Friendship Friday in the comments below here on YouTube. If you would like a second chance into an additional drawing, make sure that you follow the link in the description over to Facebook in my planner community and comment #Friendship Friday there under this post as well, and you will be in 2 drawings today. So friends, thank you so much for sharing time with me today. If you have not already liked and subscribed to my channel, I sure would appreciate it if you did. And if you know somebody that would enjoy this video, please go ahead and share it out. Thanks so much, and I'll see you soon.